Hi, I'm Takara,
And I'm Michaela,
and today we filmed a Get Ready With Us.
and we thought we'd make it interesting using the same palette. So both of us used our Lorac Pro 2 palette.
This is like my all-time favorite palette.
Yeah. So we just did different looks with the palette. We'll have everything else listed down below. We tried to show what we used, but it's like our first-ish video, so it's kind of hard.
It's our first makeup video, so we're still trying to figure out like the ins and outs of how to just film really smoothly because a lot of things went wrong before we did this, so just bear with us.
That's why we started with our foundation on, because the battery died. So
Yeah, now we
that's
know.
just what happened.
Always have batteries on deck, charged, ready to go. So thank you so much for watching if you are. We're gonna try to put up like 2 videos a week now. This will be probably our very first YouTube video. And I'm sorry, I have family over right now, so it's kind of loud in the background. Like I said, bear with us. We're still really new at this. This is our second video that we've ever filmed, and yeah, we'll get it down eventually. Okay, so these are our finished looks.
Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.